Hi, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. This is a series of videos where I show you everything and behind the scene of a real life application. So if it's your first time, please check. This is the series. Now we are on video number 6. So I'm going to continue with the series. Okay, so the main reason behind this series is to show you a production level application. As you might know that most of us as YouTube coders, we always teach concepts for the sake of teaching, and in most of our videos we always say please be warned that this code cannot be used for production. And when you look at the tutorial or and the channel as a whole, and also in YouTube, you'll find out that it's very rare that you find a code that is meant for production that teaches you like a quality code for production. So we always teach code for just the sake of learning. So I decided to create a code for production. As you can see that this is running live on a server, codeddesign.co.za. So when you click there, this is what you see. As you can see here, also the other thing that I'm going to talk about, and that's why I'm saying this code is for it's a production level code. I want to show you why on YouTube or WhatsApp or other big and famous applications, on the URL they don't have something like index, let's say .php, or if this page is a profile, why they don't have the extension. Let's just quickly click here and see what's going to happen if we put index.php. Just a moment. So this part of web development and web development and design, it's routing. So the reason why this thing is not happening, it's because of the routing system. As you can see here, obviously it gets to this index.php. Here I was just testing. I'm not even aware if there is a page index.php, or it might happen on YouTube's routing technique. It doesn't matter what you type here, it will always go to a default page, which is the welcoming page, which is those are advanced routing techniques. So those are the things that we are going to discuss about. So without wasting time, let's just test where I am at the moment. So let me show you the database, which is a live database that is on a server. I want to show you that my tables are empty, so that when the system or when the application saves something, so that you can see that something has been saved. As you can see here, this is a table users. It has got nothing, there are no users. And also email confirmation code email confirmation table, there is nothing. As you can see, there is nothing here. So that means my live database, it's empty. Okay, and then from then let's just go to Secular. So on Secular you will have to register. And then how I'm approaching registration, I don't like to fill a lot of information, if I can be honest. Like, you know, those registration where you have to fill your name, username, password, contact number, and all those things. In this system, I want to take maybe a simple approach or a different approach, where whenever you get to the registration, you will just only put your email and that will be it. You are done registering. Then I will push other information from you, or I will request other information from you as you are using the system. I think I've learned this from most popular application like your WhatsApp, what's this, on TikTok and Facebook and all other apps. They make it easier to get in, and then from then they will ask the information as time goes by. For instance, TikTok will ask you what language are you speaking when you are using it, while you are already using it, and it will ask you your location. So that's the approach here. So that's why there is just please enter your email on registration. So when I've entered the email, suppose it will send me a confirmation code on my inbox. Also, let's refresh the inbox to see, so that to see that we don't have any message at the moment. And then when I've clicked registered here, then when I click sign up here, then it's supposed to send me a confirmation code. So let's just wait for this to refresh. So in this system, I want to show you everything, and also I want to show you a code that is meant for production. So I will show you the behind the scene, the design pattern, everything, all the industry techniques that have been used. As you can see, this is my Gmail and I don't have an email. So let's just go here and test. Okay, now that I'm done, as you can see, it's asking me please enter a verification code sent to you to your email. And then let's just quickly check here. Let's just wait for some time. As you can see, here is an email from Core Design. Okay, and then here in this email, as you can see, it has got from the website, it has got this verification code. So this is the code that we are looking for. So the system is asking you to put the code here. So when you are done putting the code, suppose it's taking you to the dashboard where you can use the application, and then as time goes by, it's going to remind you, don't forget to put your name and your whatever surname, location, and all those things. So that means as long as the system has got your email, it can always push other things. And also, if let's say you don't have a password yet, even for instance now you are going to log in without a password, you can set the password later. As long as your email is your email, the system will use that. So this stage, I'm not done with the next stage after this one. So when you click sign up, it doesn't take you anywhere. But however, the other functionality that I wanted to test is that I have made it simple so that when you want to click the link for confirming your account or your email account, just like any other application, then you can click here. So let's click here and see what's going to happen. Okay, as you can see that it says this code has been verified, thank you. So let's go back to our database and check. As you can see, before refreshing there was nothing, so let's just refresh. This is the confirmation email table. Okay, let's just wait. As you can see, now we've got the first record. Here is the confirmation code, and then this confirmation code is the same as where is that tab? This one. As you can see, it's the same as this one. This is the exact same thing. Okay, what else? Let's go back to the database, as you can see, and then let's go to the users and see what's in users. As you can see, this is our table user, this is my email address, the password is null at the moment. So this is the registration date, and that is it. So that means now the system has got you as a user. It doesn't have your name yet and all those details. It will push those details as time goes by. For instance, when we want to use like more functionality, then it will restrict you to say that please quickly set up your profile. So that's how I think it's going to make it easier to get in to the system. So as you can see, here is your information. So let's say that here I change this code. Obviously, as you can see here on the email confirm table, we only got this code. So what if maybe I can change it here and put maybe dash and then click enter? As you can see, verification code not found. So that means this is legit. This checks the database. It checks the database, it checks this code, and it verified using this code. Let's say I modified this code, whatever it okay, I deleted everything. Let's say I modify this code and type a at the end, or let's type it in front instead, a. As you can see, now it has changed, it's no longer the same. So suppose the system will tell us that it doesn't find this this code. As you can see, this code is not found. What if maybe we can put the modified one with a capital letter A in front? Let's see. as you can see, this code has been verified. So that's about it, guys. In the next video, I'm going to show you the behind the scene, and then when I mean the behind the scene, I'm just going to show you things like, for instance, a single point of entry in your application. If you look at my application here, there is like few lines of code, like like less than 20, which is like, it's more like 11 lines of code. Then one might ask, how does your index is so simple, and like it only has got like 3 lines? What's going on? So in the next video, that's what I'm going to explain to you, and also give you some techniques, and also how I have achieved this whole thing up to now. So we are going to learn programming techniques, advanced techniques, design patterns, clean code, and also how do you think, and also how do you structure your code. So if you are interested in that information, and also you want to learn that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so that when I put a new video, then you can be updated. Otherwise, in this channel, we are all about learning from scratch. Or I'm not a better developer, also I'm interested in becoming a better developer, so as you. So it's me and you, and let's learn together. Believe me, if you stick with me, I'll make you famous. I'll take you places to see different faces, because we want to be better developers. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.